Hey guys, welcome back to another video with me, your girl Latoya. Now as you can see, my hair is dry and brittle, and so in today's video I'm gonna do my first ever hot oil treatment. So if you want to see how I revitalize my natural hair, then keep on watching. So the oils that I'll be using for my treatment is the Originals by Africa's Best Carrot Tea Tree Oil Therapy, my Real Jamaican Black Castor Oil with Rosemary, and my Cream of Nature Coconut Milk for natural hair. So I'm going to use my glass container to mix my oils, and I'm just going to use my spoon. You can use whatever spoon you want to use. I'm not going by any specific measurements. I'm just going with the amount of oils that I think my hair needs. Now the first oil that I'm going in with is the carrot tea tree oil, and I'm just going to use two spoonfuls of this oil. Next, I'm just going to use 1 spoonful of my black castor oil with rosemary, and then 2 spoonfuls of my Cream of Nature coconut milk for natural hair oil. Now guys, I'm going to mix these oils together. You can use whatever oils that you have, but I'm just showing you the oils that I'll be using today for my hot oil treatment. Now guys, I'm just going to mix, and then I'm just going to show you how I heat my oil and then apply it to my hair. So guys, now I'm just going to transfer the heated oil to my applicator bottle. This is a plastic bottle, so I'm making sure that the oil is not too hot, because if the oil is really hot, it's going to melt the container. And you don't want to hurt yourself in the process when the oil is really hot. So just make sure it's at a good temperature, which is best for you to handle. So guys, I've seen persons shampoo their hair before going in with the oil, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to apply the oil directly to my hair. So first I'm just going to section off my hair into 4, and guys, these parts do not have to be neat, alright? So before applying the hot oil to your hair and scalp, you want to make sure that it's not too hot. Then I'm just going to go in with the applicator bottle, and I'm just going to make sure that I get my scalp. And then when I'm through with my scalp, I'm just going to make sure that the ends of my hair is saturated with the hot oil. So guys, after finish applying the hot oil to my hair, I'm just going to go in with my steam cap, or what you guys call shower cap. Then I'm just going to tie it down with my silk wrap. And guys, I want a lot of heat to my hair, so I'm just going to go in with my blow dryer and just let it heat my hair a bit more. So now guys, I have shampooed and conditioned my hair. Now I'm just going to go in with the remaining oil and just apply it to my scalp and hair. So I'm just gonna allow my hair to air dry. So I'm just gonna twist my hair, and I applied my Aunt Jackie's Curl a Lot to my hair just to twist it out. And guys, I still have oil left over. Now guys, this has been like 3 days and my hair is like this. I'm just gonna show you how I just achieved my cute little updo with my twist. So to take down my twist, I'm just gonna use the remaining oil and apply it to my hair. So guys, my hair feels very soft and moist, and I'm loving the sheen that it has. So I went ahead to do a quick and easy updo, and guys, I am loving the look. I am loving how my hair looks, guys. If you like this video, please remember to thumbs up, leave your comment, subscribe, and share this video. And guess what, guys? I'll see you next week. Bye.